Patil is in Ashutosh Mishra studying nation. So our project is based on geoboard, and this geoboard is popularly known as circular geoboard. So a geoboard is a mathematical manipulating used to explore basic concepts in geometry such as perimeter, area, and the properties of circles, triangles, squares, rectangles, and more advanced concepts such as polygons, symmetry, fractions, variables, and so on. So today we are going to explain you about the circle and its property using this circular geometry. So the shape which you get after joining all the nails, which is equidistant from one point, is called circle, and this point is called the center of the circle. So let's learn something basics about the circle. Any line segment joining the center of the circle to any point on the surface of the circle is called radius, and any line segment joining any two points on the surface of the circle is called chord. If this chord passes through the center of the circle, then it is called the diameter of the circle. So any line segment touching the surface of the circle at exactly one point is called a tangent to the circle. We can draw an infinite number of radius, chord, diameter, and tangent in the circle, but the measures can be up and low. So the circular boundary around the circle is known as circumference or the perimeter of the circle. Further part will be explained by my partner.
Any continuous part of the circle is called an arc, and this arc divides the circle into two parts. The bigger part of the circle is called a major arc, and the smaller part of the circle is called a minor arc. An arc measuring exactly 180 degrees is called a semicircle. An angle subtended by arc at the center of the circle is called the central angle. Measure of the central angle is equal to measure of its corresponding arc. Have you ever think about it? If we extend the central angle to the surface of the circle, then which angle is formed? So I am going to tell you the name of this angle. It is called inscribed angle. Inscribed means the angle which is formed inside the circle and whose vertex lie on the surface of the circle. Measure of this inscribed angle is equal to half of the measure of arc intercepted by this angle. Now let's learn something new about the circle. For that I have drawn a chord here. Now I am drawing a perpendicular line from the center to the chord. What are perpendicular lines? The lines which intersect each other at the right angle are called perpendicular lines. So what is the benefit of drawing perpendicular line on chord? It divides the chord into two equal parts, which means this part and this part of chord are equal to each other. And by using this information, the length of chord and the distance of chord from the center, we can find the radius of the circle. Along with the geoboard, we have a small game for you. Tell us any date, month and year, and we will find the day of the date.